Now remember, India had blocked the flow of the Ravi River water into Pakistan by completing a long pending dam project that had been delayed for 45 years. The Shahpur Kandi Dam, located on the Ravi River, will enable Jammu and Kashmir to start receiving its allocated share of water of 1,150 cusecs through the Ravi Canal directly from the Shahpur Kandi Reservoir. The project has the potential to irrigate around 5,000 hectares in Punjab and 32,000 hectares in Jammu and Kashmir, Samba and Kathua districts. The dam will also help save any excess Ravi water that used to flow to Pakistan during the rainy season. Here's a special report by my colleague Tejtree.
Under the Indus Water Treaty signed between India and Pakistan in the year 1960, administered by World Bank, India got control over the eastern rivers, that is Ravi, Beas and Satluj. But despite the construction of the Ranjit Sagar Dam and some internal dispute, some water of Ravi River kept on flowing to Pakistan. After the Pahalgam terror attack, India has put Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, and now India has sent a strong message to Pakistan that India will not allow a single drop of water to flow to Pakistan. But how? Here we are going to show you in the visuals that how the construction of this particular Shahpur Kandi Dam is ramped up. Let me tell you that the construction of this particular dam has been going on since years, but now India has finally moved into the action mode. The construction of this particular dam will not allow even a single drop of India's rightful water to flow into Pakistan, because the project has been fast-tracked after the recent Pahalgam attack. Now also remember that the water from this particular dam, the Shahpur Kandi Dam, will be now irrigating the 32 acres of dry land in Kathua and Samba district of Jammu and Kashmir. Also remember that this particular water will be used for irrigation, and dam will also generate hydropower, and Jammu and Kashmir will receive 20% of this power, giving a major boost to local infrastructure and development. Remember that not just Jammu and Kashmir but Punjab will also be benefited when the water will be completely diverted to Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab as well. Remember that earlier some part of water, because of some internal disputes, the water was flowing to Pakistan. Some percentage of water was flowing to Pakistan, but now since the Indus Water Treaty has put in abeyance, now this entire construction is ramped up. You can see in the visuals also that how the work is going on day and night. Amit ji is showing you the visuals so as to hear where Times Now is reporting exclusively from the spot, showing you that how the construction is ramped up 24/7. The manpower has also been increased. So that's not just a strong message to the Pakistan, but seems like the work on the ground has already started. And now soon, when the project will be completed, the portion of water, in fact, of the Ravi River that was flowing to Pakistan will not flow now. Not a single drop will go to Pakistan. Rather, the entire water of Ravi River will be diverted to the districts of Jammu and Kashmir and Punjab as well. Now, since we are reporting from the Ravi River, remember that this particular river originates from the state of Himachal Pradesh. Not just that, but also remember that this particular river, Ravi River, spans approximately 720 kilometers. It starts from Himachal Pradesh, flows into Jammu and Kashmir, and then enters Pakistan, where it flows through the Punjab province. But remember that in fact what happened at the time when the Indus Water Treaty in the year 1960 was signed in the presence of World Bank. At that particular point of time, India got control over Ravi River, this particular river from where we are reporting right now. But since then, some part of this particular Ravi River still flows into Pakistan. Pakistan gets benefited of this particular river. However, Pakistan has control over the western rivers, but the part of the eastern rivers that India has control over, some part of this particular Ravi River does flow into Pakistan. And now Indian government is taking, very crucial step so as to stop this particular flow also, this particular river that completely comes under India. India has control over it. So So that is why Indian government is working relentlessly so as to stop even one drop of water going to Pakistan. And already, as we know, that Indus Water Treaty has been put in abeyance. So these are the visuals, in fact, we are giving you from the Ravi River. And as the dam, as the construction of dam will be completed, remember that the water over here, the Ravi water, will be used for irrigation of for this area. Not just that, but the farmers of this particular area will be benefited largely, because remember that when we also did speak to the villagers, the farmers and the residents of Jammu district, particularly of Kathua and Samba of Jammu and Kashmir, then they were in fact telling us that since past many years they had to face water scarcity. The reason just being that some part of this particular water was flowing to Pakistan. But now in fact they are much more happy, because the water that was flowing to Pakistan will be now flowing towards India.